Hey there, toy collectors and horror game fans. Today, we've got an exclusive review of the Buildable 257 pieces Skibidi toilet figure building block kit. This incredible set is inspired by the popular horror game, the Skibidi toilet, and it faithfully captures all the unique features and intricate details of the game. Crafted from high-quality ABS material, this model set is non-toxic, odorless, and features a smooth and burr-free finish, making it safe for children to play with. Plus, it's a fantastic stress relief challenge for adults, providing continuous leisure and a means to unwind. Whether you're a fan of the game or just love collecting unique models, this Skibidi toilet figure building block kit is the perfect addition to your collection. It also makes for an exquisite gift for fans, with its vibrant colors and impressive design. So, what are you waiting for? Click the link in the description to get your hands on this incredible Skibidi toilet figure building block kit today. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exclusive toy reviews and model building kits. Happy building!